use the force.
We're trying. It's really heavy.
Focus.
It's a really heavy door.
Focus.
Help! Close the door! It's so heavy! Oh my god!
I'm getting a headache.
Come on, you can do it! Hey, who's not trying? Who's not helping? Who's not helping? Come on, close the door! They can't know that we broke you out.
They literally cannot know. They cannot know, guys.
Hurry up! Oh my god, we're so close! Come on, everybody! I can feel it! I feel the force in all of you! We're almost there! You can do it! Almost there! Oh my god, we're so close! Hurry up, quick! Come on!
You got this.
It's almost there! Almost there! Oh my gosh! Hey! Wait! And now push it back? Maybe? Maybe? Possibly? Maybe. Let's try pushing it back. Yeah! Great work, everybody. All right, my front row, pull the yellow towel on your right-hand side. Excellent. And my back row, pull the yellow towel on your right-hand side. Yeah, we got it close. Excellent. Thank you. Arms up, everybody. Both arms up. Arms all the way up. Arms up, my friend. Arms up. Okay, arms down. Please go to the left-hand side. These doors aren't closing. Please hold on to the sides, including anything on top of your head. This is our block, and I'll get you guys out of here. But you're still Jedi now. You got this. Good luck. May the Force be with you all.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen and detained. There they are! Fire!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lifts down.
Hurry! No! I said down! This is upper level. Requesting equipment authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Found the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Why did they put
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pod beacon.
Lieutenant back here. Beck! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!